Have you ever picked up a beloved doll, perhaps a cherished family heirloom or a recent find, and felt its arm or leg wobble a little more than you remembered? It can be a bit concerning, right? We all want our cherished collectibles to be in the best possible condition. Identifying serious looseness in doll limbs is quite straightforward. It is when a limb moves freely and easily beyond its natural range of motion without much resistance, or if you can effortlessly rotate it a full 360 degrees. This indicates a definite need for attention. This excessive movement usually indicates that the internal elastic cording, often called stringing, which expertly holds the limbs to the doll's body, has stretched, frayed, or even broken over time. Gravity and the natural degradation of materials like elastic can cause this tension to lessen. Think of a rubber band that has lost its snap. The same principle applies here. This is a very common issue, especially with older dolls or those that have been frequently handled and played with throughout their life. Understanding this helps us approach the problem correctly. So, how do you perform a thorough check? First, gently lift the doll by its torso and carefully observe its limbs. Do they hang in naturally low or seem to just flop around? This visual cue is often the first sign. Next, try what we call the swing test. Hold the doll securely by its main body and gently swing it from side to side. Pay close attention to the arms and legs. Do they flop around excessively with very little control or natural swing? If they do, this suggests significant laxity. Then, perform a careful rotational check on each limb at its joint. Gently try to rotate the arm or leg. Does it spin freely without any natural stop or a subtle resistance you would expect? A healthy joint should have some slight but noticeable friction, not just free spinning. After that, conduct the push and pull examination. Very gently try to push each limb towards the doll's body and then pull it slightly away. Is there significant space or unexpected play at the joint where the limb connects? Too much gap can indicate stretched elastic. Finally, if possible, compare the limb in question to another limb on the same doll that you know is stable, or even to a similar type of doll in good condition. This comparison helps you gauge the expected tension and movement. Knowing how to spot this specific issue is a vital skill for any doll collector, especially when you are considering a new purchase or assessing your collection's needs for maintenance. The condition of a doll's stringing, which is often an overlooked detail, is a key indicator of its overall structural integrity. Serious looseness, if not addressed, can unfortunately lead to further damage, such as cracks or stress marks in the joint areas. Collectors frequently refer to a doll with very loose limbs as being floppy or having rag doll syndrome, which are common terms in the hobby. By learning these simple yet effective assessment techniques, you empower yourself to preserve your precious dolls, ensure their structural longevity, and help maintain their aesthetic and historical value. It is all about proactive care and observation, allowing you to enjoy your beautiful collectibles for many, many years to come. Your dolls deserve this careful attention.